guys, what are we going to do today? Can you guess? You're probably thinking, no, I still can't guess. Well, look now. Is that so cute? With just any little scrap, you can make your own book corners, whether you want to embellish a book or use it when you're reading. And you can just take your paper, fold it up, and you'll know what page you're on. Let's get started.
So for this small pocket, I'm using a 4x4 sheet of paper. If you want a larger one, just make your paper larger, or smaller, make it smaller. And this is a real fun, simple fold. So I'm folding it in half this way. I'm gonna open it up and fold it in half this way. Open it back up. I am going to bring these two corners down. The top two corners are going to be at an angle, so this is going to the fold, and this is going to this fold line. So this is what we've got so far. Now we're going to fold it in half, so the two flaps are touching each other, and it looks like that. It is like this, and I'm folding this bottom flap up behind our triangle. Now this pointed end, I am going to fold back again just to get this folded down. So I'm folding this back, just one of the two layers here, and now I've got my guide and my crease. So I can bring this back down, and I am just going to slide that point in to this pointed end, and now we have this cute little corner pocket. After that, you can decorate it any way you'd like. You can distress it, or if you're just using very cute paper, just use it the way it is. And here's a cute little card. If I had a book, this would be very cute. Then I could also mark my pages.
Okay, so what did you think? I told you this was easy. I don't think it could have gotten much easier. Hope you give this a try. And now you're thinking, my gosh, I can make a book corner for every book I read. Whatever you do, have fun.